There, sit down.
I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Eeny weeny, teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick.
Stop shutting that way.
You're such a baby. You're a baby.
Hi, can I touch you? No. Oh, okay.
Scratches, scratches, scratches.
Not me. Go, Queen, go! Oh.
Riley, look at me.
Brother.
Rocco, go lay down.
Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
You mad, bro?
Oh.
No, I don't care. You're not coming in here, bro.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile.
Baby, go!
Hi, can I touch you?
Hello. Say good morning.
No, no.
So freaking. Excuse me! No!
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Riley, look at me.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Ai, Zima, dois beijinhos, beijinho, 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 beijinho. Reação!
You do to him? Damn it, Clifford! Clifford, what's up, baby boy?
Sit. Stay. Stay.
What did you do to him? Look, he's all excited.
This is crazy.
Think
Vienen a visitar.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
Steven, come here, please. I can see your head. Come here.
Tell them how bad you are. You won't stay out the garbage. Stay your ass out the garbage. Stay out the garbage.
No. Sonny Bonnie.
No, no.
Happy birthday to you.
My dog is my best friend.
It's time to go off the bed.
Who's growling?
Cumberland. Oh.